Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Keychron C1 hot-swappable wired mechanical computer keyboard with review 2026. The Keychron C1 hot-swappable wired mechanical keyboard is designed for both Mac and Windows users seeking a versatile, durable, and highly customizable typing experience. With its compact tenkeyless layout of 87 keys, this keyboard balances functionality with portability, making it an ideal choice for gamers, programmers, and general computer enthusiasts. Check the video description for the updated price link. The inclusion of Gateron G Pro Brown switches, double-shot ABS keycaps, and a white backlight ensures a premium tactile feel, reliable performance, and a visually appealing setup. The Keychron C1 offers a suite of features aimed at improving typing comfort and efficiency. A hot-swappable design allows users to easily replace switches without soldering, providing complete customization based on personal preference. Its USB Type-C connection ensures stable, lag-free performance, ideal for intense gaming sessions or professional work. Additionally, the double-shot ABS keycaps enhance durability and maintain their lettering without fading over time. White LED backlighting adds elegance to the keyboard while enhancing visibility in low-light environments. The keyboard also supports Mac-specific function keys, making it fully compatible with both Mac and Windows systems. Compact yet sturdy, the C1's tenkeyless design saves desk space while retaining essential keys for productivity and gaming. The Keychron C1 delivers a highly responsive typing experience thanks to its Gateron G Pro Brown switches, which strike a perfect balance between tactile feedback and smooth key presses. This keyboard is suitable for a wide range of tasks including typing, coding, and gaming. Its hot-swappable functionality provides flexibility for users who wish to experiment with different switch types, making it future-proof as preferences evolve. The white backlighting is bright and evenly distributed, ensuring that all keys remain visible in various lighting conditions. The keyboard's build quality offers a solid typing platform, with minimal flex even during intense sessions. Users can easily connect the keyboard via USB Type-C for reliable performance without input lag or connection issues. Overall, the Keychron C1 combines robust hardware with a comfortable typing profile for both casual and professional users. The Keychron C1 is built with high-quality materials to ensure longevity. The double-shot ABS keycaps are resistant to wear and tear, providing a premium feel over extended use. The keyboard's frame is sturdy and stable, reducing wobble during typing or gaming sessions. Its compact tenkeyless layout saves desk space without sacrificing essential functionality, making it an excellent choice for minimalistic setups or smaller workspaces. One of the standout features of the Keychron C1 is its hot-swappable design. This allows users to change switches without soldering, providing extensive flexibility for personalization. Users can select tactile, linear, or clicky switches depending on typing preference or gaming style. The keyboard also supports key remapping and function customization, enhancing user experience and workflow efficiency. Is the Keychron C1 compatible with Mac computers? Yes, the Keychron C1 includes Mac-specific function keys and supports macOS out of the box, while remaining fully compatible with Windows PCs. Can I change the switches on this keyboard? Absolutely. The C1 is hot-swappable, allowing users to replace switches easily without soldering. Does the keyboard offer RGB lighting? No, the Keychron C1 features white LED backlighting only. Is this keyboard suitable for gaming? Yes, the responsive Gateron Brown switches and stable build make it suitable for both gaming and professional use. Does it come with a USB Type-C cable? Yes, the keyboard includes a high-quality USB Type-C cable for stable, lag-free connection. Check the link in the description to get yours today.